I got my hair trimmed last week for fall. I tried to get my haircuts seasonally, and along with my fall trim, I got my hair flat ironed. It is exactly 1 week to the day since I had my hair done, and my hair still looks really nice to me. I am chemical free. I do not have any chemical or color in my hair, and I want to share with you how I maintain my hair for a full week and beyond with natural hair. So I maintain my hair with 4 Flexi Rods. Just these 4 Flexi Rods give me these kinds of curls. And these aren't the biggest ones that they sell. Maybe they're next to it. So I just use 4 Flexi Rods and end wraps. And I figured out that if I wrap my hair the traditional way, my curls are completely gone after about 2 days. And I cannot pin curl. It looks so easy, but I just can't do it. My bobby pins come out in the middle of the night, or it never works for me. So Flexi Rods is my thing. So let me show you how I put them in. If you haven't tried Flexi Rods to maintain your loose, flowy, thermal curls, give them a try. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep it naturally corporate.